Hello, welcome back. We'll be looking at another difficult exponential equation, but actually it's pretty easy to solve. What we are expected to solve is x. We are looking for the value x. So let's dive into the solution. So let's write the equation first. We have 16 raised by x minus half raised by x squared minus 1 equals to 0. We can actually take this guy to the right hand side, so we have square root of 16 raised by x minus equals half raised by x squared minus 1 when we transfer this guy to the right hand side. So this implies square root of 16 raised by x can be written as 16 raised by x everything raised by half equals half raised by x squared minus 1. So now we are going to switch x and half. So we have 16 raised by half times x equals half raised by x squared minus 1. But we know that 16 raised by half is the same as square root of 16. So raised by x equals half raised by x squared minus 1. So now square root of 16 is simply 4. So we have 4 raised by x on the left side. 1 over 2 can be written as 2 raised by minus 1. By applying this property, whenever we have 1 over s raised by n is written as s raised by minus n. So that's what we applied here. So times the power x squared minus 1. So this implies that 4 raised by x equals 2 minus 1 times x squared, that's minus x squared. Minus 1 times minus 1, that's plus 1. So this implies 4 can also be written as 2 squared times the power we have 2x equals 2 raised by minus x squared plus 1. Since the base of the same form, so we can equate the powers. So we have 2x equals minus x squared plus 1. Let's collect the like times. When we do that, we have x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So we can solve it using factorization method or quadratic formula. But this guy is not easily factorizable. So we are going to apply the quadratic formula. So we have x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So the coefficient of x squared here is 1. So a is 1 and b is 2 and c is minus 1. So now let's proceed further. So we have x to be equals minus 2 plus or minus, what is b? That's 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times c. C is minus 1, everything over 2 times 1. So we have minus 2 plus or minus, this is 4. Minus 4 times 1 times minus 1, that gives positive 4 over 2. So we have minus 2 plus or minus square root of 8 over 2. When we proceed further, we have minus 2 plus or minus square root of 8 can be written as 4 times 2 over 2. So when we proceed further, we have minus 2 plus or minus, this is simply 2 root 2. So square root of 4 is 2, so 2 times the root, we have 2 root 2 over 2. So when we divide through by 2, we have minus 1 plus or minus square root of 2. So this is the solution. So x, this x is either minus 1 plus root 2 or minus 1 minus root 2. So this is the solution. Thanks for watching.